Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can add a discount on sales invoice on Coconut accounting software. So let's go to invoices section on mobile app. Here let's add a new invoice or create new invoice. I will select one of my customers already, like Travel Limited. So change the invoice date. I will select 4th of June. And due date, I will say they have 14 days time to pay. And let's add a line item. For example, I have service provided for 1 month at a price of 1,500. Okay? Click add. So this is the main line. Now let's add a line for a discount. Okay, and discount, I will have just a unique cost, and discount is 150 what I give. And don't forget to click on left hand side at the bottom, there is negative line item option, and click add. So now I have 1,500 as a main invoice amount, and also I give 10% discount of 150. If you want to add 10% in a brackets, click on that line and you can still amend details. So I will add 10%. Oops. Okay, click done. And this have applied discount. So from 1,500, now they need to pay 1,350. We can save as a draft or click on next, and send out. If you haven't provided email address, you will need to provide one so you can distribute out to a client. So now when we go back to review that invoice, let's click on Travel Limited. You can see there is a discount applied and total amount payable is 1,350. So in this episode I showed you how you can add a discount on sales invoices that you send out to your customers on Coconut accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my complete Coconut accounting software tutorial and also my personal and unbiased review of this accounting software. Check it out.